Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold is moving and how the gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this chart, I'm showing you that the trend of the gold is moving in a particular range. As you can see, I have made a trend lines, okay, up and down both sides. So what we can see here is that the trend of this particular gold, that it is going up and now it is narrowing. So there is a probability that if it crosses this trend line upside or downside, there can be a sharp move upside as well as downside. So if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, I have given a link in the description. You can join from there. Okay, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this gold price is moving. See, if you look at this chart, a trend is forming here. Okay, so there is high chances this is a narrowing trend. Okay, so if you look at this chart here, that now it is moving in this particular range after touching this support. So if it touch this level, okay, then this resistance is already tested here twice, so there is high chances if it comes close to this level, and it has already weakened. So there is a probability that if it cross a level of around 1900 or 1898 or 99, something near to this level, this trend line, then there can be a sharp rise. It can touch to a level of 1314 also. Okay, because we will see that there will be a sharp rise in the price of the gold. See, this is the price of gold moving as of now. So if I show you 5 days chart, if you look at this trend, the trend has become a little this way, okay, downside. But what we have seen that if we look at overall trend of the gold, that after touching its high, it comes down most of the time. But what we can see here is that the trend is in this particular range as of now. So if it goes above a level of 1900, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 1903, and from there it can touch a level of 1907. Once 1907 is touched, then it can touch a level of 1911 to a level of 1914, and from there it can touch a level of 1916. Okay, so once 1916 is touched, we can see that this is a strong resistance, and if it touch this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1918 to 1924 also, after if it goes up this side. Okay, suppose if this trend line breaks downside, okay, so there is a probability that if it crosses 1895 downside, then it can touch a level of, okay, then there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 1888 also, and from there it can touch a level of 1882 also. But it has to sustain its low side. We can see that 1888 is a big risk support. So if it crosses this level, then we can see a sharp move till 1882. Okay, once 1882 is achieved, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 1879 also, and from there we can see a level of 1873 also. So what you have to understand here is that once this breakout happens, upside or downside, be on the upside with a target of, suppose if this is the trend line, suppose this is the trend line, I make the trend line, this is the trend line. Okay, if I put it here, so suppose if it crosses this trend line upside, if the trend line is crossed upside, so what you have to do is you have to take this as a stop loss and hold on the buyer position. Or if this trend line we make it downside, okay, this downside, suppose if this trend line moves below and break this point downside, then what you have to do is you be on the selling side with this as a stop loss, with this trend line as a stop loss, mark on this stop loss, so that if it comes again at this level, you can exit at this position. But these are all my personal view. What I would suggest that please consult your financial advisor before investing. Okay, And if you have any doubt, you can mail me also. I have given the description, mail ID in the description. Overall, if I show you a trend of 3 months, we can see that the trend have changed. Okay, the trend have changed and it is in continuous uptrend. Okay, just now it is in this particular range, and once this range is break upside also, we can see some upside movement in the gold price as well. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please keep supporting me. You want and if you like the video, and please share and subscribe, then only my channel will grow and you can help me in this. Okay, and the help can go to a lot of people. Oh, thank you.